Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a haul with me. I went to Hobby Lobby, Micheals, Crate and Barrel, Pottery Barn. I think that's all I got stuff from for now. Oh, and Kirkland's. So mostly I got was fresh stems to add into my fall decor, and I'm going to share them with you. So let's jump right in. Oh, and I got some from Target also. Right here I got these ones from Target, and I just pushed them in to see how they were looking and see if they was giving what they were supposed to give. And these was for $4.99. I just bend the stems a little, and I have about, let me see how much I have here. I have 6 in this vase. So these are 6 of them, which I got from Target. Was a really good price, and they are from the Hat and Hand collection. So I have 6 of them in this vase, and I got this vase from Home Goods way back. And then these ones, when I went to Crate and Barrel, they had an arrangement that was absolutely beautiful, and I was inspired to do the same thing in my home. So I got this. It smells so good, from Crate and Barrel. I don't remember the price for it. I got this one from Crate and Barrel, and these ones also, like some dry grass. These are like fresh dry flowers, dry stems, and I got them from Crate and Barrel. They're still wrapped up. So yeah, these ones was from Crate and Barrel. I got these ones. I think I got 4 of these. Kirkland had 25% off, and I got these stems. They are like army green, and I absolutely love them. And these was $12.99 a bundle. The bundle has in 3, and I got 4 of these. So I'm gonna put them in my vase, and some way I'm gonna style them because I love it. I also got this one, this garland, which I might put on my dining table. I got 2 of these, and these is from Hobby Lobby. So if you, and Hobby Lobby right now having 40% off on their fall decor, and I got these from Hobby Lobby. So I have 2 of those. These stems I showed on my Instagram, and I got a lot of questions where they were from. These was from Target, and they were $9.99 per stem, and the stem is quite huge, and I love it. And remember, when you're styling, open it up so you can see the real beauty, and you can fill the space. That's what I do, keep in mind. So these ones I got 5, I think. Yeah, I got 5 of these ones. I think that's all they had in stock when I went. So these are just the 5, give you a big so yes guys, they are absolutely lovely. I was looking for the burgundy-ish color ones, but I have not seen them. I know a lot of YouTube sisters on YouTube's already showed that they was there last year, and I didn't get them last year, so I was looking on the hunt for them, but they're not out as yet. These ones I love, 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 love. I am so in love with the color. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna go back and get some more of these ones because I really, really love them. Oh, I got these stems too. I think it's just 2 of these I had with these. I love these ones. They are nice. I'm gonna go back and get some more. These was from Micheals, and these was $5.99. with 40% off. So they are beautiful. So I might add them in with these ones, or they can style on their own with a little bit more and make it look so pretty. But I got 6 of these. I love these so bad. I am so in love with these ones, so in love. And these was $12.99 with 40% off. So guys, I'm thinking about styling these on my entryway, and I think I might get some more and add them into my living room also, because I really do love these. I am so in love with these ones. Oh my god, I just love these ones so much. I might get a Merv pillow cover and bring the color into the living room, but they are so beautiful. I got the rose to these too, but I'm going to show you that later. These Pampers grass I got from Kirkland, and they had sale on them. But one thing with Pamper grass, they very messy, so that's why I'm not taking them out of it yet. See, they are very messy. And you get 3 in the stems. They were $19.99, and they had a 25% off the day when I went. So I got about 4, I think. So I got 4 of these, and I am absolutely in love with these ones. These, don't know what the name are, but I got them from Hobby Lobby, $11.99. And I like the fact that they not only leaves, but they have like texture to it. So I got about 5. I think I got 5. No, I got 4. I got 4 of these. I got 4 of these because they are huge. Put in a stem, and this is 4. And I also love these, which was $8.99 stem. I got 4 of these, and I can just add them in to this and add some dimension and texture in this vase. I can't wait to style. So Hobby Lobby have these ones, and they're beautiful. So time you add your stuff to them, and you open up your stems. Look how beautiful this is already looking. It is looking how it's supposed to be looking. So I got 4 of these. So add another one. Yeah, add another one, and look at that arrangement. So yes, I love it. And closer. I also love these, but they only had 3 when I went, so I'm gonna go to another Hobby Lobby and see if I find more of these, because this is just giving fall. I love it. And these was $11.99 plus 40% off, and I got 3 of these. And this beautiful stem was from Crate and Barrel. It is very long. You have a long stem, so you can just put it in a flower vase by itself, or if you're going to put it in a shorter vase, you might have to bend. See, it has a bend, because when I went in the store, they had it in a vase, and I love it. I think I got another one like this last year, but it was more on the browner tone. This has a little bit of burgundy and red. So I really love it. I love it. So yeah, those are my fall. And then I got these ones from Target. They only had 3 when I went, so they can style with something else or they can just go on their own. And I also got these ones. I also got this one. I also got these from Micheals. These are the roses to the other one that I love, and these were $7.99 less 40% off. So that's it. That's what I love. And I got 6 of these, and I'm going to show you the 6 together. I show you this one already, so this one was with these ones. So this is the 6 together, just like that. And you open them, you can style them with bend some of the stems to give it like different height. That's what I usually do. So you could contour, and you could also add these same one from Target in between to give it more. Look like that. So you can add them in and open up. But I'm gonna share my fall styling. So guys, that's basically it that I got for my fall. Oh, when I went to Pottery Barn also, I got the big brown pillows. Last year I got the white ones, which is smaller, and I love them. And this year I got myself 2 of these ones, and these ones were $49.50. So these are there. They're very huge. You can style on their own, or add in your sofa with 1 pillow, or however you want to style them. But they are huge. They're bigger than my head. But these are them. And that's it for my fall haul, floral / pillow. So guys, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for liking my page. So if you're not been a member or follower or supporter, not been a family as yet, go ahead, like, share, subscribe, do all those good stuff. It doesn't cost anything to like. It doesn't cost anything to share. It doesn't cost anything to follow. If you like my type of content, go ahead, share so you can know, and press the notification bell so you can know every time I upload a video. You'll be one of the first to know. And today I am going to start styling for my fall decor, so you might see a video today. So I'm going to go ahead and start styling. You always know, start with a clean slate, get it going. So come back to see how I come back to see how I styled my fall stems decor. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me on all social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Everybody, love you.